Curious about microapps but are afraid to ask? Tune in, where people meet tech and tech meets people. Between the clouds. All right, welcome everybody. We have the F1 lead driver as far as Citrix Partners is concerned. We've got Ray Wolf, CEO of A2K Partners, joining us today. Ray, welcome.
Thank you, Sean. Wow, what an introduction. I'm going to borrow that for future discussions.
I'm looking at this Citrix Ready Marketplace, and A2K has 4 microapps already published.
Previously, where we'd wait for a customer engagement to come up with a microapp that we would submit to the marketplace, now when we get a really good idea, we're like, let's go build a microapp, right? And then we can highlight that and get people excited about using the intelligent portion of Workspace. So yes, we have 4 published. I will tell you, we also have 4 that are in the process of being approved.
It's almost like asking you to pick your favorite child, which everybody says they don't have one. They love them all equally. We all know we have a favorite child. But what if you had to choose from your 8 microapps, what ones would you choose to highlight?
I will tell you the one that is in the works right now, that is a connection with Celonis, which is a system of record. And this works behind the scenes to surface critical actions and tasks to speed up processes that have financial impact. It's about getting actionable insights into your Workspace feed so that with one click you could hit it and actually have an impact financially to your company. The other one that's I think people really need to focus on for microapps is the cross system of record microapps. And a favorite of ours is Salesforce integrated with ServiceNow.
Oh, wow.
Information that you need to enter into one system typically needs to get entered into the other. With microapps, you can enter it once. Everything is updated behind the scenes, and it really streamlines it.
Ray, I want to switch gears just a little bit here and talk about this thing, Citrix Converge. You obviously have participated in it in the past. And how was that experience? If we have people out there thinking of attending Converge, as a Converge veteran, how would you describe that?
Well, I think Converge is a couple of things that come to mind. One, you have a bunch of people that are using technology in different ways. So while, even A2K, we think, hey, we got some great ideas, we run into people that are doing totally different things, and it opens up new thinking for us. So go just to get exposed to people, the new thinking they have and what they're doing. The second, these are people that are going to show you how. It's not just tell you to go do it, it's how do you do it. It's a broad audience, from people that are trying to deliver business value to those that are sitting and actually configuring the microapps.
And it really is a hands-on intensive experience, would you
say? And I'll tell you, Sean, we have 3 presentations set up. Pretty exciting. One deep technical where we're talking about push API web listening integration. So our CTO will be going through that. And then our COO will be talking about how to accelerate your sales ecosystem with Workspace microapps. And then I'm taking a little bit more of a business twist. Since the pandemic started back March 2020, we have been consulting with just about 200 customers. I'm going to share the secrets of what they've done stealthily behind the scenes to transform their customer and employee experience.
We've got a listener out there in Skihocken, Minnesota, and they're wondering how they learn more about Ray Wolf, A2K Partners, the existing microapps, the whole 9 yards. Where are we pointing them to?
A2kpartners.com. One of the things, we're very partner friendly. If you're coming up against something where you're just interested or you have a technical challenge, we want to help you through that, because the bigger and faster this ecosystem grows, the better for all of us.
In closing, I'm going to come at you from left field with the random question of the day. And I want you to go back to Ray Wolf in middle school. What did that Ray Wolf want to be?
Well, that Ray Wolf was already thinking about an engineering career. I started out building military and commercial jet engines. And I will tell you, the process automation I learned in aerospace largely is the foundation of what we're bringing to Workspace with Intelligence.
Most kids are sitting there Saturday morning watching cartoons. Ray Wolf is building jet engines. That is amazing. But for those of you listening in, make sure you register for the next Converge and get into those A2K sessions. Until next time, bye-bye.